Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how I can change the battery in this 2025 Honda CR-V key fob here. You don't need any fancy tools, you just need only one battery like this 2032, and you can find this battery in the description, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. Well, the first thing you need to do is right here. You see this small button, this one. Now press it, and when you press this button, this way you can very easily pull this mechanical key out. Alright, and when you remove this mechanical key, now take the small flat screwdriver and you need to insert the tip only right here between these two pieces, and be careful to not break the plastic here, so insert only the tip. Now carefully twist it a little bit, push up, and this way you can very easily separate this fob into two pieces like this. Now, if this chip that contains the battery falls off like this, don't worry, just take it and place it back in its place over here, like this. Alright, and now to remove the battery, again it's very easy, just take the tip of the small flat screwdriver again, insert it here or here, and just push the battery outside. And now when you remove the battery here in the same place, just insert your new battery like this, and also make sure it's with the positive side facing up. So this step here is very important. And now when you place your new battery over here, take these two pieces again, make sure you align them perfectly like this, all corners to match perfectly, and just snap them together just like this here. And now when you do that, take this mechanical key again and put it back inside the fob just like in the beginning, and right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.